So, Sai, I do not currently own an iTOVi scanner,
Okay.
but I want to buy the DNA program.
Just the DNA program.
I only want the DNA
Absolutely.
program.
Everybody can.
I have
So
friends and family
it's
that only want the DNA
139.
program. Okay.
It's 139.
Okay.
And that goes up on April 16th to 179.
Okay. So I can get it if I don't have a scanner.
139 per kit. And by the way, that will never be that low again. In
Right.
fact, even bulk pricing is going to be more expensive. So per kit, right?
Yep.
So 139, you want 10 of them, 20 of them. You don't own an iTOVi scanner? Absolutely. Now, if you own an iTOVi scanner, you can also do that.
Okay.
Now, if you want both,
Let's say I want to
Yeah.
buy a scanner
Yeah.
now and the DNA program. I want to get both together. Can I get a deal?
of course. So we do have, if you use the code DNA bundle, that's the coupon code, and you can take advantage of buying them together to save a lot of money. In fact, our regular, we have two pricing options for iTOVi, right? iTOVi monthly is $39.99 a month, and that doesn't ever go up. That's just $39.99 a month. And you get
Unlimited
this
scans.
Unlimited scans.
Yep.
Yep. Scan as many people as you want all the time, which is awesome because it's that dynamic. Or you can just buy it one time and then never pay monthly again. And the monthly, that one-time option is $829.
So what if I want to buy?
$829. So if you want to buy the kit and the scanner and do the one-time option, rather than paying $829 plus $139 or $179 if it's after April 16th, it's just $899
Total.
So we're knocking like $75 off the scanner, and huge savings.
Yeah.
So $899 total, and you get the iTOVi scanner, never pay monthly again. It's the lifetime option, and you get the iTOVi DNA kit. So that's one time. Now, if you want to do the monthly scanner plus the DNA kit, then it's $179, and then after that, of course, it'll be $39.99 a month for the iTOVi scanner.
Okay.
Which, by the way, with our referral program, you can get that down to $10 a month. You need to see that on our website. But definitely, it's a huge savings on getting the bundle for sure.
Right.
So
Good time to do both.
definitely a good time to do both.
Okay.
Absolutely. And they work really well together. And for additional details, definitely see our website for that information.